Lesson 3: How Plants Make Food. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to recall that photosynthesis is a set of reactions that join carbon dioxide and water to make glucose and oxygen. Life on Earth could not exist without photosynthesis. Plants and green algae capture energy from sunlight. Photosynthesis makes glucose and oxygen. Glucose is needed for respiration and is used to make starch, fats, and proteins. These are the start of the food chains that support all other living things. Oxygen from photosynthesis replaces the oxygen used by animals, plants, and microorganisms during cell respiration. Photosynthesis happens in the leaves of plants. It needs some specific conditions. Chlorophyll is the molecule that captures the energy from sunlight. It is found inside the chloroplasts. Palisade cells on the upper side of a leaf are packed full of chloroplasts to make photosynthesis as efficient as possible. Sunlight provides the energy that powers photosynthesis. Without a good level of light, photosynthesis cannot take place. Carbon dioxide is absorbed from the atmosphere and gets into the leaf through tiny pores under its surface. Water is joined to carbon dioxide to make glucose. It is transported from the roots of the leaves where it is needed. The enzymes needed for photosynthesis require the right temperature. If it is too cold, then photosynthesis will slow down. The chemical reaction for photosynthesis should be memorized. Carbon dioxide plus water goes to glucose and oxygen. It is important to remember that plants respire all the time. They are constantly using oxygen and producing carbon dioxide. During the day, photosynthesis is more active and plants generally produce more oxygen than they use. During the night, there is no sunlight for photosynthesis. Plants use more oxygen to produce carbon dioxide through respiration. Photosynthesis provides glucose, which is transported around the plant for respiration and growth. Glucose is also converted into starch, which is then stored inside the plant cells. This energy store is a good way of holding large amounts of glucose inside the plant cells. Starch does not dissolve in water, and so it does not draw in water by osmosis. Potato, the part that we eat, are specialized parts of the roots that are packed full of starch. We take advantage of this and grow potatoes for food. Without photosynthesis, there would be no food crops for humans and no food for the animals that we eat.